Welcome to Tambobo Bay. Tambobo Bay is located on the southern tip of Negros Island and is considered to be a typhoon shelter, partly because it is almost below the typhoon belt. The bay is a perfect natural harbor and is popular natural boating anchorage in Visayas. This place is still not very popular with travelers as it is not so easy to reach. There are several ways to get there. By car or by bike is the easiest. But I'm not going to tell you how to get there, so it will remain a secret. I hope you won't find out. Enjoy the view, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. If you want to escape from any city to tranquility, Tongu Sail Inn is waiting for you.